Welcome to the Stone Coat Epoxy Color Center. If you want to take your epoxy projects to the next level, well, you found the right place. We selected our additives to make your epoxy countertops realistic and your art and woodworking projects vibrant. Our fine particulate metallic powders are easy to mix, color fast, vivid, and mimic Mother Nature. Our epoxy is heat resistant, scratch resistant, food safe, and perfect for the kitchen environment. We have the epoxy additive color you've been looking for. Renew your countertops right in place. Spray paints, marble effect sprays, epoxy dyes, glitters. You can even create an ocean scene for your dining table. Your imagination is your only limitation. Our epoxy dyes are very concentrated, as well as our metallic powders. A little bit goes a long way. Pick your favorite, have some fun, and remember, from Stone Coat Countertops,